In the 1987 World Rally Championship, a rain-soaked stage becomes a battlefield as Audi's Quattro battles Lancia's Delta S4 across slick gravel. Drivers push through jagged forest roads under stormy skis, while co-drivers shout cadence and Quattro bite corners like a living force. Back in the pits, engineers dissect telemetry in the pit lane, swap turbo maps, and dial tire pressures. A soaking hairpin becomes the turning point amid spray as an audacious overture slips past a rival. When the checkered flag falls, Audi wins a narrow, rain-soaked chapter of rally legend to fans everywhere.